Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Lush. This is Santa's Magic Sleigh. And this one's really cool because you can use it all at once or you can break it down to 3 different bath bombs. So you have Santa, the sleigh, and then the bear, which is a mini Butterbear, which is packed with cocoa butter. So I decided for the purposes of this demo to put the entire thing in the tub. I was trying to make it float, but it immediately capsized and was super colorful. This is one of their more expensive bath bombs. It's $11.95, but it is 8.8 ounces, so it's rather large. And it smells really good. Has fragrance notes of berry, bubblegum, and vanilla. So the bear dissolved pretty quickly. There's only a little bit left. Very moisturizing. You can see the cocoa butter. And then here's the sleigh. That actually had a bunch of popping candy in it, so at the end when there wasn't much left and I stirred up the water, you can hear it popping. It's really cool. Then Santa, at this point, Santa was already gone. I thought there was still a piece of it left, but nope, he had already dissolved. And you can see a lot of the red pigment on the back of the tub. That did not stain or anything, it just splashed right out. There's the last little bit of the bear. And then the sleigh. So I thought the water was pretty cool. When you mixed it all together, it did turn orange. And I'm doing a voiceover so you can't hear it, but at this point you could hear all of the popping candy. So it was a super fun bath bomb. If you guys would like to see more demos from Lush, I do have some more of their Christmas products coming, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.